children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about subtractions, two digits number. Okay, so let's start with that. We have learnt the subtractions of one digits number. हमने one digits के subtractions तो सीख लिए हैं. Let's now extend this idea to two digits number. अब हम दो digits के number को कैसे subtract करते हैं? We will learn. Suppose we have to subtract 12 from 26. Okay? We take the following steps. Steps for subtraction. Step number 1. Write the numbers in column form. Step number 2. Write the numbers in expanded form. Step number 3. Subtract ones from ones. Step number 4. Subtract tens from tens. Okay? So this is method. 26 minus 12. So expand kara 2 tens and 6 ones, 1 10 and 2 ones. Minus करने पे आपको मिला 5 ones and 4 tens means 14. Now observe the following. Subtract 42 from 87. Write the given number in column form and subtract. Okay बेटा? So 87 में से 42 को माइनस करोगे, आप एक्सपेंड करोगे, then you will get 45 like that. This is very easy. You only need to do practice. So now testing time 13.1. Subtract the following numbers. 63. So 63 has 6 tens and 3 ones. Similarly, 42 has 4 tens and 2 ones. So if you subtract all together, then you will get 3 में से 2 get 1, 6 में से 4 get 2. So 21 is the answer of that one. Okay, I hope you understood. So these are the blanks. You have to fill it your own beta. So now move on next. Subtractions by short method. Let's subtract 34 from 65. Method, step number 1, write the numbers in column form like that. Step number 2, subtract ones from ones like that. Step number 3, subtract tens from tens. Okay, so 65 minus 34 is equal to 31. Okay, now study the following. Subtract 64 from 86. कैसे करना है आपने? Start from ones place. Then subtract 32 from 57. This is the example number 2 and this is the example number 3. So read it nicely. Okay. So now move on beta. Next one. Texting time 13.2. Subtract. Ones tens place. So 67 minus 43. So 7 में से 3 गया. So read after 3. 3 के बाद 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 4 are remain. And 6 में से 4 गया 2. So 24 is the answer. Similarly, 45 minus 21. You have 5. You just cut it 1 from list. Then you have 4 left. So write it 4 and 4 में से 2 गया 2. Okay. So these are the other example. Just fill it nicely. So now next. Subtractions of two digits number with borrowing. Borrow के साथ कैसे करते हैं subtract? Let's subtract 25 from 62. We follow the steps shown below. Step number 1, write the given numbers in column form like that. Okay. Step number 2, subtract the ones. 5 is greater than 2, so we cannot subtract 5 ones from 2 ones. Borrow 1 10 so that 5 tens are left. Okay. Now 1 10 plus 2 ones is equal to 10 ones plus 2 ones is equal to 12 ones like that. So 12 ones minus 5 ones is equal to 7 ones. Write 7 under ones column. Okay. Step number 3, subtract the tens. अब tens को subtract करेंगे. 5 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 3 tens. Write 3 under 10 column. Okay. So 62 minus 25 is equal to 37. Okay. So this is the subtractions of borrowing. Now short method. Let's subtract 36 from 55. 55 में से 36 को कैसे subtract करते हैं? Step number 1, 55 minus 36. Start from ones. Take one borrow. Then solve tens place. Okay. So 55 minus 36 is equal to 19. I hope you understood short method of that one. Now next. Testing time 13.3. So 46 minus 29. So here it is 46, 29. So now 9 में से आप 6 को सब्सट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. आप क्या करोगे? 6 एक बोरो लेगा, it becomes 16 and it remain 3. So now 9 के बाद आप पढ़ोगे 16 तक. 9 के बाद 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So how many lines are there? Clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yes. Now here it is 3. So 3 में से 1, 2, 3, 3 में से 2 कट करोगे. Clearly here it is remain 1. So we can say that 46 minus 29 remains 17. Okay beta, this is the way, you have to fill the other sums yourselves. Now next topic is word problems on subtractions. Rohit has 24 pens. Only 21 pens are working. How many pens are not working? 24 में से 21 वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो कितने नहीं वर्क कर रहे हैं? Clearly minus, then 3 are not working. Similarly, there are 87 children in the school. So write it 87. Okay. 75 are boys. 75 हमारे कितने हो गए? Boys हो गए. How many girls are there in the school? अगर 87 में से 75 हमारे बॉयज़ हैं, अगर हम इसे माइनस करेंगे then we will get our girls number. So 7 में से 5 गया 2, so write it 2. 8 में से 7 गया 1. Okay, so now we can say that there are 12 girls in the school. Okay, I hope you understood that one. So beta, with this we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So do rest of these answers yourself.